Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another refreshing summer drink recipe with you. And if you loved my lemon iced tea, then you are definitely going to love this one as well. Let me quickly take you through the ingredients. The star of our drink is going to be the strawberries, and we need some ripe, sweet and juicy strawberries. We need some sugar and of course our tea bags, and I'm using rooibos or red bush tea, my favorite tea in the world. You can use any tea you prefer. And I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box below. I have already boiled some hot water, which is about 1.5 liters, and I'm going to add that to my bowl and steep my tea. I'm using about 6 tea bags, and when I add that to my hot water, I'm going to set it aside and begin with my strawberry syrup. And all we need to do for our strawberry syrup is to first blend our strawberries without any additional water. Strawberries contain a lot of water, so you can blend them easily without adding any extra water. Make sure to blend it as smooth as possible. This is exactly how you want it to be. We are now going to pour the blended strawberry in our saucepan, add our sugar, and mix it well to combine the two. We are then going to allow it to gently simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to stir in between. And when your syrup is done, you will tell that it has reduced in quantity and that it coats the back of your spatula like this. All we need to do now is to strain our syrup to catch any seeds, because strawberries contain a lot of seeds. But my blender did so well, there were barely no seeds to catch. Just look at how glossy and shiny our syrup has become. And at this point, we are going to finalize our drink by adding our strawberry syrup to our tea we've already steeped. Now I'm passing it through my strainer again because I want to make sure that there are no seeds in my drink. I'm going to mix everything together and taste to see if it needs any adjustment. And when I did, I realized that it was a bit too sweet for me, so I added about a liter of water and mixed it again. I tasted it for a second time and it was perfect. So now it's finally time to raise our glass and say cheers to a fantastic summer ahead. I truly hope that you are inspired by this video to try this refreshing drink for your family this summer. And when you do, I know your family will be grateful for it. Remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to recreate this refreshing summer drink with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Cheers!